What is a team contract? Well, generally, after a team is formed, you go through the organizing process, which means establishing roles, establishing expectations of the individual members of the team, and then bringing about team norms and cementing those into the understanding of what it means to be a part of the team. To do this, teams oftentimes implement something known as a team contract. Well, this simply tries to memorialize the common understandings about the roles, expectations, and norms of the members of the team. It generally begins by identifying team values and goals. That is, the overall expectations of the team. What are the things that matter most, and what are they trying to accomplish? From there, you go into establishing the formal roles that individuals hold and establishing whatever level of leadership or hierarchy will exist. From there, you can identify the authority of individuals within each role and what decision-making authority they have with regard to carrying out their tasks or functions. Then you can establish rules for communication and coordination. This is extremely important. How is information going to flow within the team, and how is it going to flow from the team to outside organizations or stakeholders? And then you identify the performance standards to which you will hold each of the members of the team in terms of performing their individual responsibilities, tasks, etc. So all of these things incorporated appear to be very similar to a legal contract, but really what it does is memorialize a common understanding among the team members with regard to these elements of roles, expectations, and team norms.